I hope someone's bringing me cookies. I love cookies. Hey guys, we are about to walk through the completely crowded shop backwards, and we're gonna load up our box truck right now with all the donations that we got from all of you lovely people in Windsor, Ontario who donated to the 10 families that we sponsored this year. We have a whole bunch of boxes full of gifts that the families asked for. I'm super happy that we ended up doing this. A huge shout out to Sierra Parr at Lemon Soul Podcast, everyone at Macro Foods, and my boys here at Reclaim Artistry. We took care of a whole lot of families this year, and I'm super excited about it. I just want to give back to the community a little bit, to the city that's always taken care of me, and this is one way that I thought we could do that. Huge shout out to everyone who donated these gifts. Enjoy us loading up the box truck. In the spirit of Christmas, we're gonna go give out some presents. So let's get ready. Good call. Lost a couple pounds. Can't forget my mitts. Look. Yeah. Gotta make sure the boys are working hard today. We missed the spot. Fixing up my mistakes over here. Let's get to it. Is that it? Lots more to go. Gotta get more gifts. Downtown Windsor, that's Santa Claus. Who knows what they're gonna say? On Dasher and Prancer! Donner and Vixen! We're gonna unload the truck, give all the presents to the kiddies. So I'm gonna bust the door and just say, I'm here to give the kids the gifts. Do another door open. Oh. Nice, you guys are ready for us. Oh, sorry. Load her up. All right. Nice. We got 10 families here.
Hello. Woo. Hey Santa.
Nice. You got that? That's heavy.
I got it.
You got it. Mike, get in this picture with this. Nice. Yes. We'll give high fives. We'll give a whole round of high fives in a minute. So we just donated like a whole truck full of all the donations that we got from all you fantastic people. When we were unloading the trucks, it was kind of crazy to just see the amount of donations that have been there to help all the families. It makes me feel awesome that we can be a part of this, and I just hope that we can help out some people that just kind of have like a bad hand right now. The people that get dealt a bad hand don't deserve it. So, I mean, do what you can this year, kind of pass it on, do something for someone else, and have one for me. Joy. Where's heartbeat, Sarah? I'm gonna eat a whole milk full of hair for that one. Ready? Yeah. Who said that? Batman. Batman.
That's my